Legislation in Indiana could ban state and local governments from creating any kind of vaccine passport programs. Now, those are typically smartphone apps that indicate if a person has been vaccinated for COVID-19. WCPO 9 News reporter Josh Bazan explains what we know about vaccine passports so far and how they could impact the tri-state.
Apps like these are popping up as an option for people who might want to be able to quickly prove they have been vaccinated for COVID-19. The White House has already ruled out any kind of national vaccine passport system, so now states and private businesses are left to figure out how to handle it.
At this time, I have not heard any policies coming out of the state of Ohio related to vaccination cards or proof of vaccination prior to participating in certain events. But at this time, I would say it's certainly an option that businesses could consider.
State lawmakers in Indiana have already approved a ban on vaccine passports that would apply to state and local governments. Private businesses would be free to use them if they want. The Republican-led effort portrays vaccine passports as an intrusion into personal freedom and private health choices. Since our parts of Ohio, Kentucky, and Indiana don't have any government-sponsored vaccine passports right now, a ban like Indiana's wouldn't change much for the tri-state, unless it included language like Florida's ban, which also prevents private businesses from requiring proof of vaccination for customers. Here in Hamilton County, the focus is still on getting as many people vaccinated as possible.
I think we're all thinking through how we can make sure that we have as many people vaccinated as possible before we start to have people go back to work and interact with more people than we've been interacting through the pandemic.
Commissioner Driehaus says Hamilton County is looking into ways to encourage its own employees to get the COVID-19 vaccine, hoping private companies will follow their lead.
I think as policymakers here at the county, we do want to try to lead by example. We're going to try to think of a way to maybe incentivize those that haven't gotten the vaccine to get the vaccines.
Josh Bazan, WCPO 9 News.